Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, I will be giving you guys an unboxing, and I put up air quotes just because I opened them. I wore them already, but I threw them back in the box because I said, oh, I need to give y'all an unboxing because these boots are so fire. This is probably the best purchase that I've made in 2019 so far, and I know it's kind of dramatic to say that, but y'all get the point. They're just fire. So I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing of my Yeezy Desert boots in the rock colorway. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm also going to show you guys 3 ways that you guys can wear these boots. This is really exciting to me because this is the first time I'm doing a video like this. Usually I show you guys what I purchased, but now I want to get more into how do you wear it, because I can show you guys what I purchased, and I do post pictures on Instagram showing you guys my outfits, but I want to explain my sense of direction when it comes to putting outfits together so you guys can understand that methodology and go ahead and apply that like when you guys are trying to put outfits together, because it's fall time, winter is coming too. We need to get these fits together, okay? So yeah, that's what we're doing in today's video. Before we get started, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below after y'all watch this video, and let's go ahead and get into it. So best purchase of 2019. I might be being dramatic, I might be being non-dramatic, but these boots are bae, okay? These boots are a T. These boots are everything and more, and I'm just here today to show you guys what the boots look like, why I like the boots, why I purchased them, and 3 ways that you can style them. So this is a box. The box is bigger than the boxes that the Yeezy sneakers come in, but they are boots, so I would have expected the boot box to be bigger, you know. It does say desert boot on the front, which I like. Box is very sleek, it's very clean, it's giving me very much so Yeezy tea as always. And I did get these boots in a size 7.5. I got them in a size US 7.5, France 40 2/3, and UK 7. As I mentioned, these are the rock colorways, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. And oh, I'm over here about to drop pictures, and here she is. These are the boots. I think that they're so fire. They did come in 3 colors. So the 3 colorways that launched this year were the oils, which are the dark brown ones, the rocks, which are these, and the salts, which are the grayish lights colorway of the boots. I did love the salts as well, but you know, your girl is trying to budget a coin, so I was like, let me pick the ones that I like the most to get first, okay? So these boots retail for $200 US, and they're sold on Yeezy Supply, Adidas, and Foot Locker. They're sold on other sites as well, but those are the 2 that I'm familiar with that still have them at the time that I'm recording this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and take she out the box so that we can observe she and go through the specs of this boot, as well as why I purchased she. She is a boot. I haven't named her yet. I try to name all of my items, so if you guys have any suggestions of what I should name these boots, then comment down below and let me know. But these boots are so fire to me. One thing with these boots is that the sizing was kind of tricky. So I did size up. I usually wear a size European 39, but I got these in a European 40 2/3. The sizing was kind of sketchy as well. So I'll go ahead and put the sizing guide on the screen. But the sizing did jump around a bit, so I was kind of unsure, like, should I go down half a size or should I go up basically like a size and a half-ish? So I would recommend going up a size because they do run small. So if you are interested in getting them, make sure you go up in size. Even if they do have your exact size, then I would still recommend going up, like, you know, half a size or whatever. But I did get these in a US 7.5, and they fit me exact. And just so you guys know, I wear a size women's 8 in US and women's 39 European sizing usually. So these do run small. I want to throw that out there. Also, These boots were a part of the Yeezy 7 collection, and when they were in the Yeezy 7 collection, I didn't even know I wanted them. I'm just like, it's one of those items that you see online and you're just like, ew, like, why would I ever purchase those? But then you see them with a fit, you see them on someone's feet, and you're just like, oh, those are fire. But basically, that's the relationship I have with these boots at first. So when they came out as a part of the Yeezy 7 collection, season 7, I was like, oh my god, those boots are hideous. Why would I ever wear those? Why would I ever want them? But, however, my opinion has changed since then. So I want to go through the specs of this boot and tell you guys why I actually purchased them. So the first thing I want to know about these boots is that they're more of a style boot rather than a weather boot. And when I say that, it's because when you hear the word boot, you might think like, oh, a boot, I could wear it when it snows. I could wear it when it's winter outside. I could wear it like sleet, snow, whatever. But no, these boots are more of a style boot. They function more for style rather than for like functionality or actual purpose of like what we know as a boot. So these boots don't have any grips underneath, so you cannot wear them in New York snow, New York sleet, or New York ice because you will be slipping and sliding, okay? So these boots are more of like for style. They're cute, they're fashionable, they're not really functional. So I mean, it sucks because you pay $200 for them and you can't really wear them as boots, but I feel like they're more of a sneaker boot rather than a boot, if that makes sense. So another thing I really want to re-emphasize is the sizing. Sizing is kind of weird. I would personally recommend to go up in sizing. Just wanted to mention that again because a lot of people were kind of confused. Like, do I get my exact size? Do I go up? Do I go down? I would recommend going up a half size or maybe even a whole size depending on the sizing guide. I'll go ahead and include it again here if you guys need a reference. But I did go up. I usually wear a size 39 and I got a size 40 and 2/3. So another thing I love about these sneakers is that they have this mesh detail on the side, and also it has the mesh detail on the tongue as well as a 3M stripe on the tongue. I love 3M. If you guys have never seen any of my previous sneaker related videos, check the description box down below. But I love 3M detail on shoes. It just does something to me, and it just adds a lot of spice. I'm just a 3M girl in general. I love 3M on almost anything. If it has 3M on it, I'm most likely going to purchase it just because. But I love the specific details. It also has like these suede panels. So all of this is suede here, which is another reason why I wouldn't necessarily call it a weather boot. Because you don't want to wear suede when it's raining. You don't want to wear suede when it's snowing. And yeah, so I really love the details on this boot. It just makes it so fire. I feel like this colorway could also go with a lot of things, as you guys are going to see in the second segment of this video, where I show you guys 3 ways that you can style these boots. But you can dress them up, you can dress them down, and I know I say that about a lot of things that I show you guys on my channel that it's fashion related, but y'all can really finesse these boots. Like these boots, I know I'm going to wear 200 times. I know I always say I'm going to wear things the amount of times as the dollars I spend, and I know I'm going to get that return on investment from these boots. Also, these boots were released in full family sizes. So they have men's, they have women's, and they have kids and like babies as well. So if you want to get them for you and the whole squad, then feel free, go ahead. I'll link below where they're still available, and I'll also note like which sizing they have, like if they only have men's, if they have women's and men's, if they have women's, men's, and kids. But Yeezy Supply would be your best bet. The only thing with purchasing on Yeezy Supply is that everything is final sale. So when you buy anything there, you want to make sure that you know your sizes, you're ordering the right sizes, because your sale is final. Like once you give them your coins, they're their coins now. You can't get them back. You can't get anything else, and that's that on that. I did purchase these from Adidas just because I wasn't too sure on the sizing, and I didn't want to be stuck with them. So I knew with Adidas I can bring them to the store to bring back. I can ship them back online if I want to return them. So if Adidas or Foot Locker has them, I would recommend getting them there first versus Yeezy Supply, because Yeezy Supply is final sale, period. One other thing I wanted to note was the lacing. So these laces are pretty thick compared to laces we've seen on any other Yeezy shoe. However, the Salts don't have these thick laces. The Salts have more of like a sneaker type lace. So that's just a comparison. Some people were saying they don't know if they were made in different factories or if it was an inconsistency in the manufacturing. But I just wanted to know that if you're that into the specifics. Also, last thing, these boots are very comfortable. So I did wear these boots already, as I mentioned, and they were so comfortable. I had them on from like 2 p.m. in the afternoon to 2 a.m. at night because I was out and about. I was being very mixy that day, but I had these on for 12 hours and they were so comfortable. Like, never did I have to like loosen the laces or anything. It really felt like I was walking on a cloud. So I really, really respect that because I don't have too many boots. I have a lot of boots that are cute, but they also not comfortable. So the fact that I can get the best of both worlds from these shoes is what makes me F with them 100 times more. So that's basically why I purchased the shoe, what I like about these shoes. And now we're going to move into the second segment of the video where I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways that you can style them. So if you're interested in knowing how I rock my Yeezy Desert boots in the rock colorway, go ahead and keep on watching. So outfit number 1 is this bubblegum pink sweatsuit paired with this black cap. So this sweatsuit and the cap are from Tier NYC. The hoodie was $75 and the sweatpants were $65 and the cap was $50. This is a very chill look. If you know me, you know I love sweatpants. You know I love being comfortable but at the same time being stylish. This sweatsuit is amazing quality and it pairs well with the rock colorway of these Yeezy Desert boots. This look is so comfortable, it's so me, and you could go ahead and throw this hat on if your hair isn't done. Nobody ever know. And I just love this look. This pink is just so vibrant. I feel like you could wear it in almost every season. And it's so comfy, guys. Like, so comfy. And you can also do this look without the hat if you don't want to wear the hat. You can also do pieces. Like, you could wear just the sweatpants or just a hoodie and pair it with like some type of like denim. You can also pair it with like white if we are in like the spring summerish season, you know. But it's just so cute and playful. So this is look number 1. So look number 2, look number 2. I already wore this, so if you follow me on Instagram, mind your business. But it is this Tier bubble coat. This coat was $220 and it does have 3M effect on it. As I mentioned earlier, I love 3M. And I paired it with this Tier cropped hoodie. This hoodie was $60. These camo pants I got from Topshop right before they closed all of their stores, but you can find similar pants on Urban Outfitters. I'll link them down below. And I just feel like this look is so comfortable. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it out, you can wear it to brunch, you can wear it wherever. It's night and daytime friendly. So this was look number 2. So outfit number 3 is this utility dress from Pretty Little Thing, and I paired it with my Dior waist bag and these Father Stretch My Band socks from Visionary Society. All of these items will be linked below in the description box, but I just think this is like a chic casual outfit. I think it's very comfortable. It's very me. I like to mix my different styles together, so that outfit is exactly that. But these are the 3 outfits that I decided to style my Yeezy Desert boots in the rock colorway with. Comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. Also comment down below and let me know if you like these types of videos, and I will definitely include more of these on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next video, I will see you guys later.